Now let's take one more example to understand this power of power. Now I am saying 2 square raised to 4. Yeah. So according to this rule, my answer should be 2 raised to 2 into 4. That is equal to 2 raised to 8. Now how this 2 raised to 8 comes out to be? Now let's solve. Now for this power 4, 2 square is my base. So when I say power 4, that means the number which is base, it multiplied to itself 4 times. So now 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2. Now we'll simplify it further. So next will be 2 raised to 2 comes out to be 2 into 2. Then again 2 square comes out to be 2 into 2. Again this 2 square comes out to be 2 into 2. Then last 2 square comes out to be 2 into 2. Now let's convert it to the exponential form. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many times 2 multiplied to itself? 8 times. So my answer will be 2 raised to 8. So this one and this one comes out to be same. So what it says that when we say taking power of power, that time we need to multiply the two powers, the power which is inside with the power which is outside. So our answer will be, so the rule we can say a raised to m and a raised to m is nothing but a raised to n into m. So now I'll summarize. If I say when power of power a raised to, or I do here when we say a power of power, it's a multiplication. When we multiply, say a raised to, I am summarizing the laws of exponent. So a raised to n into a raised to m comes out to be a raised to n plus m. This is when multiplication. And when it is a division, a raised to n divided by a raised to n m. So answer will be a raised to n minus m. So these three things we learn in the law of exponent. Power of power, we need to multiply the power. When the multiplication of the same base, we need to understand same base. I am putting same base. I am giving up, that same base I am putting in a bold. So same base, then the power will be addition. And when the base is same, in division there will be a subtraction. But subtraction has to be in a sequence. The denominator will be subtracted from the power of denominator will be subtracted from the power of numerator.